Hey everybody, Tess here, back on Snack Review with alumni and former suite mate Bennett.
What's up, everyone?
So
Excited
today,
to be back on Snack Review.
yeah. Alright, Bennett's already gotten started, but I'm trying for the first time Nature Valley Protein Chewy Bar, the peanut butter dark chocolate one. Looks like that. 10 grams of protein, gluten-free. That is what's up. Ben, any words of wisdom before I try this for the first time?
Yeah, get water.
Get water. Can you get me some water? These are good. They're so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why'd you fill it so high?
Because it would be difficult. Balance it.
Why did you do that on purpose? Alright, what do you rate these out of 10? Hmm?
No, like 8.
8? I would go 7.5. You're pretty good.
7.5?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like these things a lot.
They're
I
good.
also don't eat peanut butter often.
I love peanut butter. I eat it
I
all
like
the time.
peanuts. I love PB&J's.
Ooh. We used to make PB&J's. Mom, I did.
Mm-hmm. I made some for you, too.
You made lots of other food. Thank you guys so much for
I
watching.
did it like once, I think.
Yeah. Thanks guys for watching. See ya.